Hey everyone, and welcome to Chinese Skill Unit 8. In this unit, we're going to talk about some things that we like. We'll cover a few more basic sentence structures and pronouns, as well as learn a polite way of addressing people with their job title. The two structures covered in this video lesson are very important. Although they're simple in nature, still really pay attention. We're still building our foundation here, and the concepts and structures we're learning in these units will be used later on in daily speech 100%. So let's get started. In Chinese, the word for like is 喜欢. So when talking about things that we like, we can start by saying 我喜欢,我喜欢, I like. A common question you might get asked a lot is 你喜欢中国菜吗?你喜欢中国菜吗? Do you like Chinese food? Chinese people love food and is usually a great talking point that commonly comes up in everyday speech. Cai is paired with a country name to mean food or cuisine from that country. For example, 日本菜. 日本菜 means Japanese food, and 法国菜. 法国菜 means French food, but everybody knows that 中国菜 is the best. In the last unit, we learned the structures 是不是 and 有没有, basically just the combinations of two verbs with their opposites. 喜欢, to like, is also a verb and can use the same structure regarding yes or no questions with liking something or not. 喜欢 is a two-syllable, two-character word, and when it's combined with its opposite, 不喜欢, the second character 欢 can be omitted, forming the phrase 喜不喜欢?喜不喜欢? Do you like it or not, literally? Something that I really like to do is watch movies. So if you asked me, Kyle, 你喜不喜欢看电影? I would have to say, 喜欢,我喜欢看电影. I like to watch movies. 看 is a very useful verb that can be paired with many different objects. For example, in English, we can say watch a movie or read a book. But in Chinese, watch and read here are translated as 看. Movie in Chinese is 电影. So to watch a movie, we can say 看电影,看电影, to watch a movie. TV is 电视. So to watch TV, we can say 看电视,看电视, to watch TV. Book is 书, so to read a book in Chinese, we can say 看书. 我喜欢看书. I like to read. I like reading books. 你喜不喜欢看电视? 你喜不喜欢看电视? Do you like to watch TV? 看 can also mean to look at. So if you had something that you wanted to show your friend, you could hold it up and say to your friend, 看, look. Basically, anything you use your eyes to look at, in Chinese you can say 看. And similarly, anything you use your ears to listen to, you can say 听. For example, 听歌 is listen to songs or listen to music. Singing songs is also a very common hobby amongst Chinese people. So the next time you're with your Chinese friend, you can ask them the question, 你喜欢唱歌吗?你喜不喜欢唱歌? Do you like to sing? Karaoke, aka KTV, is a very popular social activity in China and is the primary place that Chinese people go to actually sing. 唱歌, besides literally meaning to sing songs, can also mean go to KTV or go sing karaoke. Up until now, we've covered a few basic sentence structures that allows us to make simple sentences. We're going to be looking at one more basic structure today that will help us start to make more complex sentences and sound more native. To express this or that when referring to a noun, like in this man or that woman, we use the following structure. 这, the word for this, or 那, the word for that, plus 个, plus a noun. 这个男人, this man. 那个女人, that woman. 我不喜欢这个男人, I don't like this man. 那个女人叫什么名字? What's that woman's name? So how would you say that man? 那个男人，那个男人, that man. And how about this woman? How would you say that? 这个女人，这个女人, this woman. Great job. Now let's talk about addressing people with their job title when greeting or addressing someone in Chinese. Sometimes we want to include the job title, either to be polite or just to be respectful to like a teacher or a doctor, for example. If you're studying abroad in China and you're meeting a teacher with the surname of Zhang, you can say 你好, Zhang 老师. 你好, Zhang 老师. Hello, teacher Zhang. Notice in Chinese the surname comes before the job title. Zhang is his surname and 老师 is teacher. Zhang 老师, teacher Zhang. If you wanted to address me using teacher as my job title, you could just say 凯友老师. If it's our first time meeting, you can say 你好, 凯友老师. 你好, 凯友老师. And if you haven't seen me for a while, you could ask me 凯友老师, 你最近怎么样? 凯友老师, teacher Kyle, how have you been recently? So let's pretend that Mr. Zhang is a doctor now, and you're meeting him for the first time. What could you say? 你好, Zhang 医生. 你好, Zhang 医生. Hello, Dr. Zhang. Bye bye.